family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selinazinchuk. I'm not gonna do the whole intro thing because some of you guys already memorized my whole intro. First of all, I'm coming on camera looking like this. Don't judge me. The things I do for you guys, it's not easy. But however, I wanted to show you guys exactly how our first creamy leave-in conditioner, milk conditioner, work on type 4B, 4C here, type 3C here, type 3A here, and we even took it further. It even worked on type 2 here. Can you imagine one product working on all of those hair types? We did something great, family. We really did, and I am hoping if there's a way I can get some of you guys to test this product. I'm trying to create some batches to just give it to you guys free of charge so y'all can test it and let me know what you think about it for me to get your feedback on it. But I'm working to order the packaging and the label just so I can also have all the ingredients at the back for you to see what's all in it in case anyone is allergic to any of those ingredients. But for now, I just want to show you guys exactly how this thing work on our hair. So I came on camera with my hair looking like this. It is very dry. Been in this bun for some days now. I can say almost a week now. I had a lot of meetings and I have to look presentable on the camera because there was some meetings, and yeah, so I just had to keep my hair in this bun. Let me just take this little rubber band off. If you love to see how I make my go-to bun, I also have that video on my channel. I will leave it down in the description box for you because I guess many of you guys missed that video. Each time I create a video, you always ask me how to make this bun, and one of you guys also recommended that I braid or twist the middle part of my hair. I don't know if you guys can see. Twist the middle part of my hair when I'm doing my bun, because my last Titanco routine, the middle part was so hard and it was very difficult, and since I started doing that, I don't have that problem anymore. I'll look for the person name and see, but thank you so much. That was such a really great idea. So nowadays I section the whole middle part, I twist that part out, and then I only use this part. So for me to Titanco nowadays is so easy. So easy. So I'm just going to first part my hair in smaller sections, and then I will come back and show you guys how well this leave-in milk is going to work on my hair. Just put my hair in these big sections because it's time for a wash day routine, and I'm also not going to be using a lot of my products because I just don't want to wash it out. It's just too good to put in and then after a few days I have to wash it out. Now you can use this on dry hair and you can also use it on wet hair. I think it will work better when you are using it on wet hair just after you wash the routine, after your deep conditioner, and then you apply this as your leave-in treatment. I think it will work better, but I'm going to try it on dry hair because of how light it is. You can also use it to re-moisturize your hair in between wash days if you don't want to go and do the whole wash day routine, but you just want to have moisturized hair. So since my hair is completely dry, I'm first just going to spray it with just regular water to just get it a little bit damp. And then I will also use a completely dry section without wetting it with water, just so I can do an experiment and see which one is better. So I got this section a little bit damp. I'm now just gonna go in with some of our leave-in treatment. And this smells amazing. It smells so great. I'm gonna add in a little bit more. Just know that my hair is very dry. I haven't moisturized it for some time, so I'm going in just with a little bit more of that, and then I'm going to separate that and apply it on it. Okay, so I'm just going to twist this section up. And then I'm also going to try it on a very dry section and see how it feels. But it got my hair feeling very soft. Okay. Just instantly restore softness and moisture back into my hair without me adding any water on it. Yeah, so it works on both dry and wet hair. That's amazing. That's really great. But it instantly moisturized my dry, brittle hair. So I'm also just going to twist this section up. It got it feeling so great. I don't need to apply any water to it to hydrate it. It just did the job. Hi.
You need to listen to your heart.
Okay. Wow. Is my heart beating good? Okay, thank you, doctor.
Me?
So I'm now just going to go and moisturize my whole hair, and then I will come back. Done moisturizing my hair. My hair feels very soft, and it is no more dry. It is close to my wash day, so I'm just going to leave this little bantu knot on for a couple of days, and then I will take it down and do my thorough wash day. But let me also show you guys exactly how our leave-in conditioner work on Aurora hair, Sonia hair, and also hobby hair.
Stop spending time with the wrong people. Life is too short to spend time with people who suck the happiness out of you. If someone wants you in their life, they'll make room for you. You shouldn't have to fight for a spot. Never ever insist yourself to someone who continuously overlooks your worth. And remember, it's not the people that stand by your side when you're at your best, but the ones who stand beside you when you're at your worst that are your true friends. Stop trying to be someone you're not. One of the greatest challenges in life is being yourself in a world that's trying to make you like everyone else. Someone will always be prettier. Someone will always be smarter. Someone will always be younger. But they will never be you. Don't change so people will like you. Be yourself, and the right people will love the real you. Stop trying to hold on to the past. You cannot start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. Stop being scared to make a mistake. Doing something and getting it wrong is at least 10 times more productive than doing nothing. Every success has a trail of failures behind it, and every failure is leading towards success. You end up regretting the things you did not do far more than the things you did. Stop getting involved in relationships for the wrong reasons. Relationships must be chosen wisely. It is better to be alone than to be in bad company. There's no need to rush. If something is meant to be, it will happen at the right time, with the right person, and for the best reason. Stop rejecting new relationships just because old ones didn't work. In life, you'll realize that there's a purpose for everyone you meet. Some will test you, some will use you, and some will teach you. But most importantly, some will bring out the best in you. Stop trying to compensate against things that are not there. And stop trying to compete against everyone else. Don't worry about what others are doing better than you. Concentrate on beating your own records.
This is how much left, and I used it on 4 of us hair. My head being the kinkiest, and so if you have a 8-ounce container like this gonna last you a very long time. People also mentioned that I should measure my formula in grams, and when I researched that, that's true. So thank you so much for the tip. And yes, I take advice from you guys too, because we are both taking from each other and helping each other. So I'm not too big to take recommendations from you guys. So thank you so much for recommending that. And so as you guys saw, it works so great on almost every hair type. There's no one in my house right now with very straight hair. My mother-in-law, she's not here, or else I was also going to try it on her hair. But what do you guys think about it? Because I don't want to say anything before you say, oh, because you made it, you are just, but if it was going to be bad, I was going to tell you guys, this didn't turn out good, we need to keep advancing it. But I just love the way it turned out. So I'm not going to change anything about it. All I'm going to do is change the recipe from ounces to grams. Do you guys remember our carrot deep condition? If you don't remember it, I will just put a picture on the screen. That video is at 1.8 million, and I transformed that video and made the actual deep condition for that you don't have to keep in your fridge, you don't have to keep in your freezer. It can stay under room temperature for months, and it turned out so bomb. That video is also coming, and I also made a hair cream for us. Yes, I've been busy. I've been filming every day for you guys, and I cannot wait to show you guys all of that. So my plan is, when all of those videos are ready, I will do a complete wash day routine using all of those treatments, so you guys can see exactly how it worked on my hair and how it turned out. So stay tuned for that. So if you love this video, please do not forget to give us a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And we will see you in our next video. Bye-bye.